Good job. He's so happy. Because I can finally play with her. There it goes. Whoops, sorry, Ava. I can't see you. There. Look at him, look at you. It's so sweet. You guys are all clean. Whoa! Good throw, Jack. I know. Wow!
Oh, you do for the kids.
Oh, yeah. Good. I don't know if he's going to squeal or yawn. Look. He says, oh, sis, this is fun. He says, thanks for playing with me. Woo! Oh.
Oh, the basketball is against you. Huh?
Ava, do you know what kind of ball that is?
I don't know.
It's a soccer ball.
Soccer ball for playing basketball.
Can you open his legs a little so you can roll it in there?
Okay.
There you go. Good job, sis. I can't see you, Ava. Oh, that was so cute. Uh-oh.
Robo!